Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an overlay in VN. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature overlay in VN that you can use. It's like overlay template in VN, but if it doesn't show in your VN, you need to update the apps into the latest version first. So when you click on the plus icons right here, it will show there is overlay option right here, and then when you click on the overlay right here, it will show the some option that you can use. So for example, I want to use this one. Okay, you can just preview it first like this. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and then you need to choose the footage from your device. For example, I want to choose this one, and then this one. Click on next. Okay, so just like that, the overlay will not be applied to the footage that you choose. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can add an overlay in VN. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.